Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have this Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is the E220D, the diesel variant. This is common for its regular running service and also a replacement of the rear brake pads. So I'm going to show you now what all is going to get replaced. So the first step is we are going to be applying the engine flush. This is going to soften all the deposits and it's going to help us drain out all the old oil. This is the old air filter, which is completely blocked. It's become black. This is the fresh one, all clean. This is an existing AC filter, again fully black and choked. The new air filter for the AC.
It's frickin' freezing in here, Mr. Bigglesworth.
Here we have the oil filter and the fuel filter. Here, this is the rear brake pad. It is almost worn out. So we always recommend changing it well before the life has already reached the end. This is the new brake pad. This one is a very high quality one from ATE. Plus, along with the brake pad, we have changed the brake pad sensors, which will tell us the life. And of course, another AC filter. And also here, we are going to be replacing with the Unisol 540. This is one of the highest grade of fully synthetic engine oil made in Germany and approved by all the OEMs for the replacement schedules. So along with this, we are going to be giving one round of detailing. So not only will it be running perfectly in the mechanical sense, but also cosmetically it's going to be back shining and glowing.